this video, I will show you how to lock Signal Private Messenger app on your phone. And you can do this on your Android or your iPhone, and I'm going to tell you how you need to do this in both ways. So let's dive off with the iPhone. And if you have an iPhone, then you just need to hold your finger on the app, and then you see this option require Face ID down below. And once you click on this, then it will ask you to require Face ID, and that you can basically lock this app with your Face ID. So right now, when I click on Signal, I need to require my Face ID to open this app. So otherwise this app will not open. And that is basically how you can lock your Signal Private Messenger. So you can also do this for Android. And if you are on Android, you need to do something similar like this. So hold your finger on the application and just enter something that's saying lock this app. And if you do not see it in here, then you can also do it from your settings by going to your applications, then going to Signal, and then clicking on lock application. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.